NTK O2 sensors are designed specifically for OEM applications. Supplied with a factory-fitted OE connector for easy installation. Optimizes emissions and fuel economy. Extensively tested during manufacturing to guarantee quality and reliability. Refer to Amazon confirmed fit to verify upstream, downstream, bank 1 or bank 2 position for your vehicle. Disconnect wiring harness from old sensor. Remove any hardware or clips, if applicable. Use an oxygen sensor socket to remove the old sensor. Each NTK sensor is designed specifically for an OEM application, down to the wire length, protective sleeve material, grommets, clips and protection tube design. NTK is continuously developing sensor technologies to work with new advanced vehicle computer components. Top reviews from the United States. Thus one is the good one. Spend a few dollars more and buy this. I'm so happy I read the reviews. I now have zero exhaust smell, after new muffler and piping. It was the sensor all along. Buy this one for $10 more and never look back.